This is the fastest gantry in the market. It's more than 220 meters per minute.
Really?
Yeah. So you can see this is a special design with the carbon fiber gantry. This is the only in the market.
We're here at the BM show in Bilbao in Spain, and we're on the Maquinser stand. And I've been introduced to this gentleman here, and I've been told there is there anything you don't know about machine tools, Oscar?
Well, really, we are learning every day, non-stop.
I like that,
but I have a quite good experience on this market since a lot of time, more than 30 years. And I really passed through many stages on this company, even 20 years on the service as well, applications, and now I'm in the dark side.
In the dark side. No, I've been told, Oscar, that when this company began in 1986, you were one of the we're going to take you on a tour in a moment, you were one of the very first employees.
Yes, looks like. They fit the door and me in the
and
back.
then you in the back. So let's go on a tour. But you represent quite a few brands here at Maquinser, don't you? So can you tell me who it is that you represent? But just first, it's machine tools, it's Swiss machines as well, and it's additive that you cover in the marketplace.
Yeah. We have three divisions, as you know, and my position in the company is just to be care about the machine tool division. We have another managers for the other division, like 3D, additive, and Swiss turning. But mainly this is, let's say 70% on our business.
You will have noticed we have a Matsuura right behind us. So tell me why the Matsuura brand? Who are you talking to? Who are you selling these machines to?
Well, this is one of our former, one of the first brands we are dealing, and we have a lot of experience. We learn a lot through. In fact, we have more than a little
underestimating
Japanese culture in our ADN, our DNA. NDA?
Yeah, DNA. I like it. You've got mixed up with an NDA there, but that's fine. You've probably signed a few of those.
Well, in fact, this is we are following the slow but safe way of Japanese to go into the market. They have an idea. These ideas come from the 19th. Okay, multi-pallet system, let's say, production cell, not machines.
Yeah.
So this idea is coming since the 90s, and actually since, let's say, 10 years ago, arrived, and the people realized that this is the only way to produce, and you cannot imagine the kind of companies is buying this machine or is adopting this technology.
Yeah.
It's small and very small companies, not so medium, high volume or high amount of employees.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll move on because they are very popular machines in the marketplace. We've done a lot of case studies on these machines, and it's interesting that you say that they are to a wider market than probably what initially people think. But automation is massive. And when I genuinely think of automation, this form of automation, the gantry-led machines, your Muratec range is extremely popular too. So you've gone from your horizontals and your 5-axis and turning, but they're turning machines here, aren't they? I think you really need to feed a Muratec, don't you?
Yes, well, it is a fact that the automation comes first on the automotive market and the high production, because obviously it's required.
And so was that where the Muratec brand was born, was really that market? Was it driven from that market?
Well, since more than 20 years ago.
Yeah.
And we have more than 600 units in the market already.
Oh, wow.
24/7. And this is a kind of product is born with automation. So you cannot even think on a Muratec machine without automation.
Absolutely.
So what is going on that the range of the brand is growing, and this is physically the biggest machine in the market of this kitchen type turning machine with multiple turrets. And so in this case, 3 turrets machine with 30 kilos part moving is capable to machining with a high power. So this is something looking ahead for the flexibility.
Yes.
It's not a high production, it's only looking for the flexibility.
Flexibility. And we'll keep going around as well, because for me, I think these are hungry machines. Gosh, yeah, wow, just look at inside that machine. They're hungry machines. You need to feed these.
Yep.
But you've got a large range as well. So let's keep walking down here,
sure.
because of course we're at the show. It's quite a busy stand actually. So mind all the people, the cameraman's got quite a job on his hands. But again, you've got over 600 of these machines in the market. What would you like to say to industry about these types of machines, and who needs one?
Well,
It's tight
looking for a medium high volume production with 90-something% of OEE. So it means this kind of machine is never stop. It's really reliable. This is even in tough conditions. In the worse and better workshop, they are 90% of their OEE. Let's say that this is, talking about this model specifically, this is the fastest gantry in the market. It's more than 220 meters per minute.
Really?
Yeah. So you can see this is a special design with the carbon fiber gantry. This is the only
really?
in the market.
So I know there's so many benefits to gantry machining as well, and you're not having to wait for the door to open or anything like that. It's about chasing those seconds.
You can imagine one operator, 3 machines is the average.
Oh, is that really? We'll keep going.
Let me show you one thing.
Oh, no, we won't keep going. I like it.
Yes. We have something unique as well.
Oh, wow.
Here. Look at this massive spindle. This is from SNK. It's a Japanese, very well-known brand.
Yes.
And this monster is HSK 125, more than 1,000 Newton meter. This is especially designed for titanium machining.
For
titanium.
For titanium machining. Wow. I mean, the size of this as well.
Yeah.
And you say
you can imagine the machine.
I can imagine the machine as well. And the speed of that as well.
It's around 5,000, 4,000, but usually the speed in the cutting is not more than 250, 300 RPM. It's very slow.
You really love what you do, don't you? I can tell.
I
can tell. It's just you are I've said this before to a few people in industry, and I'm like, you're a walking catalogue. You are a walking catalogue.
Let me show you this.
Okay.
This is the Tsugami is one of the biggest even turning machine producer, and they have a range, very complex range for the Swiss turning.
The sliding
machining,
head,
9 axis, 12 axis, whatever. But this is the standard basic machine they do. They produce more than 2,000 per month.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And this kind of machine is standard 2 axis, 3 axis, milling tool, double spindle, Y-axis, so typical machine that you have forever.
Yes, I know what you mean. A workhorse.
Yeah.
You'd call it, yeah.
And then you can be retired and the machine is still there.
Yes, I like that. Okay, so that's the Tsugami range in the Swiss
this is
range
Swiss
as well.
turning. This is quite special, and this application we are doing is focused on the biomedicine.
Oh, nice, the medical industry.
Yeah, and this is, something for the bone, typical, but this is, quite complex and multitasking machine. Target of, what is the customer going is where the market's going is, as in our point of view, and what is the market is demanding is multitasking machine, automated machine, production cells like a Matsuura, multi-pallet, blah, 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 and a special machine like this, which is looks a small machine, but they are serious. Let's start with this one.
Okay.
So this kind of machine is the kind of machine we are. This is a niche market machine.
Okay, niche market. Yep.
Even though this is a niche market machine, some industrial customer is adopting this technology because there is very really reliable and cost-effective to make the kind of part nobody want to do in a big machine because it's not.
So it's not about making heavy cuts. You're talking about lighter materials,
the
softer
kind of part you don't know how to even clamp on the machine. That in this kind of machine is very useful to have a vacuum system for vacuum tables like this, clamping system, standard vices like this, high speed. Basically, the target of this machine is non-ferrous material, not steel, just plastics, carbon fiber, composites, whatever. And well, one of the funny or important points of this machine is that we are our target customer is the customer who is not a real machinist. It's brand new on the market. It have no experience.
Starting out, yeah. Experimental as well. Yeah, I quite like that, and I like that about you. And we'll keep going round, but as a company, what I think in essence of what you've just said is the fact that you are hitting the production, high volume, high mix. You're then hitting the market that is niche and for pretty much anyone starting out in industry, whether it be full 5-axis, whether it be turning, Swiss turning. Is there anyone in industry that you can't service?
No, it's important.
Yeah. But you're hitting everyone in industry, aren't you?
Yeah. I care. My main rule in the company is to get what the customer needs and supply the right thing to the customer. So this process is sales team. This is optimization. Let's say integration with the service, application with the supplier, logistics. And sorry.
It's okay.
And well, in this process, we are involved in all the process. So this is very important for us to have a really nice service and customer support.
Yeah, service with a personal touch, and you cover Spain and Portugal, is that right?
Right.
There you go. You've heard it here first. This is Oscar, and this is a wonderful business, Maquinser, who service pretty much everyone in the market.